Healthy chicken nuggets. Ingredients: 2 chicken breasts, cut into bite-sized pieces, ½ cup whole wheat breadcrumbs or crushed oats, 1/4 cup grated Parmesan cheese, optional, ½ teaspoon garlic powder, ½ teaspoon paprika, ½ teaspoon salt, 1 egg, beaten, 2 tablespoons olive oil. For baking. Preparation: preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper. In a bowl, mix breadcrumbs, Parmesan, if using, garlic powder, paprika, and salt. Dip the chicken pieces into the beaten egg, then coat them in the breadcrumb mixture. Place the coated chicken on the baking sheet and lightly spray or drizzle with olive oil. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes, turning halfway until golden brown and fully cooked. Serve with your favorite dip.